Turbo Air 3-section reach-in refrigerator has 3 solid doors and a top-mounted compressor designed to keep the cabinet's temperature between 33 and 38 degrees Fahrenheit. The cabinet's walls and doors contain foamed-in-place, high-density polyurethane insulation, which helps ensure consistent temperatures and adds to the unit's structural stability. The digital external temperature display shows the exact temperature, and alarms will sound to alert the user if any of the doors fail to close completely. The evaporator fan features an automatic delay when the doors are opened, preventing warm, moist air in the kitchen from being drawn into the refrigerator. These features all work together to ensure products are held at the proper temperatures for food safety and longevity. The exterior of this refrigerator is constructed of durable stainless steel on the front and sides, and galvanized steel on the top, rear, and bottom. All exterior corners are rounded, which can help prevent injuries in busy kitchens. The doors feature magnetic gaskets that are easy to remove for cleaning, and a pressure relief door design ensures they are easy to open. When the doors are opened, bright energy-efficient LED lights illuminate the interior. This refrigerator offers 72 cubic feet of storage space, which can be organized with 9 adjustable polyethylene-coated wire shelves. Door locks come standard, providing security for the refrigerator's contents. This refrigerator's condenser has a self-cleaning design, using a mesh filter and rotating brush to prevent the buildup of dust that can reduce the unit's efficiency and eventually cause system failure. The hot gas condensate system prevents condensate water from overflowing and contributes to the longevity of the unit. A special treatment prevents corrosion and reduces the risk of refrigerant leakage due to rust. To learn more about the Turbo Air 3-section reach-in refrigerator or place an order, visit KaTom.com or call 1-800-541-8683 to speak with one of our customer care representatives.